Hello, this is Ralph from Rapid Holding Systems. Wanted to show you a EROWA-Compatible UPC pallet. What this is a steel pallet that is very good in a productionized environment or to quickly get things on and off your CNC machine, greatly reducing your setup time. So the way it works, the steel pallet's about 320 millimeters square. So that's about 12.5 inches square and 40 millimeters thick. So it's about an inch and a half thick. The way this works is you would put the receiver on your CNC. I don't have the receiver here today, but basically the receiver would have these pneumatic chucks in it. So you would have a plate mounted on your CNC machine with 4 of these pneumatic chucks mounted on the table. These can actually be robot fed as well. So the robot or the person would grab them and actuate the pneumatics on your pallet on your CNC machine, and then it would grab these 4 spigots and pull it down to the table. Then your setup is it's indicated, it's square, and it's ready to go within seconds. How it locates is, so this pulls it down. How it locates in the X and Y is that there are these ground features on the back of the pallet. So this is actually the back of the pallet you're looking at. So there's these precision ground hardened features that are on the back, and these would locate the X and Y. So then they would be located, and also they would be indicated in square to your plate. So this would pull it down, and then this would ensure the X and Y, and you're ready to machine. So various industries where you have either one machine, or if you have multiple pallets in your salad machine, you would have these on your multiple pallets, and then that way a robot or manually you can load them on and off. The beauty of these things too is you can work offline. So let's say I had a particular part to make. I can drill holes in this steel or for my fixturing, or put a vise on these pallets. So you can mount whatever you want to the pallet, and you can mount your pieces offline. So now I have a bunch of these pallets on my bench. I pre-mount my pieces, and then you can put them sometimes in a tool rack where the robot comes, or manually, but the pieces are already set up and ready to go. So that way, when your part is done machining on your table, pop that one on, off, pop this one on, and then boom, you're very little machine downtime and super repeatable and accurate. And they're pretty thick steel, so they're very, very rigid. Great for all kinds of machining applications, from aerospace to mold and die, hardened steels, you name it. So just another way Rapid Holding Systems can help you keep your CNC machines up and running. If you want more information, go to www.rapidholdingsystems.com.